Leckler the hole. And he has a timeout. Timeout was taken by Tennessee. That was good, by the way. 51-yarder. Randy Bullock. Blocked! It was blocked on the play. A flag is down. Michael Griffin is the one to leap in front of the kick.
But was he offside?
But was he offside?
Or in the neutral zone before the snap of the ball.
Offside defense. A 5-yard penalty, and we will have one umpire down.
Top of your screen. That's the side he's coming from, and there he is, right there.
Yep.
Yep, you can block it.
For the win. Another timeout.
He's getting a lot of practice.
Out, Tennessee.
And he does not get it, hitting the upright. Overtime.
Wow.
No. First-year kicker. And a timeout taken. Gano drilled it.
Houston called time before they snapped the ball.
Houston, they're first of the overtime period.
This one went through from about a good 53. It cleared it by a mile. That would have gone from 63 maybe.
And Kubiak taking that timeout. He had a plan, knew exactly what he wanted to do. From 52 yards away, Gano, it's no good! Pushed off to the right. Gary Kubiak calling the timeout, negating the previous field goal try, and the Texans still alive in overtime.
And the whistles blow because the Giants had their last timeout and they used it.
Prior to the snap, timeout, New York. New York used their third and final timeout.
Tom Coughlin watched the Cowboys on tape last week, too.
Yep.
Here's the clock. Watch Coughlin. Bingo. There you go. Well before the snap.
And just like last week, the kick goes through. Unbelievable. That's, I think, Pierre Paul who got a hand on it. That is amazing. But Scott Green is saying, hold everything, hold everything. Trying to get the teams off the field.
Here in Denver, Kondo will snap, Leckler will hold, it's down, Janikowski has it away. Wait a minute, timeout called, the kick is good, the kick is good. I believe a timeout was called. Timeout called by Denver.
Oh, no.
He called the timeout.
Attempt of 52. Placement, kick on the way. This one is no good.
Now the Raiders can ice him one more time. They have one timeout left.
And I'm sure they will, having had it happen to them last week in Denver.
This is for the win. Player to hold, Pontbriand to snap. The Raiders had too many men on the field. Now they run them off. 3 seconds left from 40 yards, and the snap is back. The ball is set down. The kick was up, and he kicked it through, but I think the Raiders got that last time out.
Like I said, that's what happened to the Raiders last week.
Timeout, Oakland. 30-second timeout.
Player will hold it, Pontbriand will snap it. As the ball is gone, Dawson has it away. It's blocked. It is blocked. The Raiders have won the game. They blocked it right up the middle, and the Raiders win it. The Raiders have won the game. The Raiders have won. An incredible ending here.